Okay, we're going to go live a couple of minutes early, waiting for some people to get in the room. Okay, let's see. Let me get rid of a few things. Let me cue this up. And we'll get started. One thing I don't like about live stream on YouTube is that you can't stream music without copyright infringement. I understand that it's S&P futures. I understand that artists would need to make money, but you would think that there was a way to play music and give credit. All right. Just checking my stream. All right, it's still not streaming what it's supposed to be. Let's see. Okay, I believe I have audio. I haven't used live stream in a while, so give me a second to get squared away here. I thought I had everything set up last night. Let me pull up a chart. Okay, let's take a look at the S&P. We'll keep this one up. Nope, not that one. I believe that one. Okay. So that's an end of day chart on the spiders. We'll keep that here for the time being. And when the markets open, we'll have that set up. I want to go through what we typically do each morning for a blog post. What's going on here? Let me go. Alright, I've probably sent out the wrong link. Let me check this out real quick. C. All right. All right, what's the deal here? I am not live, am I? Oh, brother. Why does YouTube have to be this way? Actually, it does show. Why am I not seeing it on my laptop? What's going on here? Bear with me a second. I thought that everything was set up last night YouTube doesn't make this easy. Let me try this. And I'll go into the room. Getting feedback. Okay, now we're streaming. All right. So the link works in the room. All right, so now we can get started. Let's go to pull up some charts and well. Okay, first I want to take a look at the IBD 50, see how they fared yesterday. Okay, what's going on with my audio? Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. Oh man. Okay, where's my software? Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Alright, if I can't get YouTube Live to work, I'm going to have to go to ticker.tv. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Alright. I'm a little reluctant to use YouTube Live. So, we'll try this again. I can't monitor myself for some reason. Okay, thanks, Rob. Okay, so futures are pretty much moving sideways for the present time. And we're going to look at some charts. I wanted to pull one other thing up. If you're just joining us, it's Cousin Vinny coming to you live from YouTube via the ticker, via theclosingprint.com. with a live broadcast covering what we typically do on each trading day for members. We cover the markets, what we're looking at for the day. We'll look at the watch list and give you daily updates. So if you're interested in joining us, just go to theclosingprint.com, click on the blog link right here. That'll take you to this page and you can hit the sign up button, or you can just check out the features on the site. Okay, that's me. And disclaimer, of course. All right, so let's keep going here and take a look. Let me move this over here on the right. Switch futures over here. Okay, each morning I take a real quick scan through the IBD 50. Since we base a lot of our trades on that list, it only makes sense to take a look at them. I'm watching futures. And what we're looking for is price to be above the moving averages, not below. It's just my style of trading and a strategy that I use. We check where price is relative to the 9 and the 20 EMA. Price is above the 9 and the 20. We start to look for long trades. You can see each time we get above the 9 and the 20, prices take off. So I won't belabor that. Suffice to say that we're watching for a bounce on CRTO. Always check your earnings. Let me pull up earnings whispers. I don't want to queue up TOS because it takes up too much bandwidth. I'll get that squared away. So we can check earnings on these. If we start to look at something that looks like a good setup, we can check that out. All right, so February 1st on CRTO. Note where RSI is. We would like to see RSI moving from below 50 and cruising through 50 and trending higher, with price above the 9 and the 20 and the Kirby and so on and so forth. For members, you know what that's all about. I'm not going to go through each chart and hash that to death. Let's take a few others. FRC reported earnings. All the banks, for the most part, are either hanging out right near their 52-week highs or they're slightly below. Some of them have triggered short signals. For example, GS gave us a short signal 3 days ago, as you can see, and RSI continues to trend lower. So this might be setting up in the very near future, maybe at 211. I doubt it gets that far down, but note the reverse Kirby, prices below the 9 and the 20. You got volume showing institutions. Some have gotten out, and we have bearish momentum as this continues to trend lower. Stowe is oversold now on the 5-1. So maybe that sets up next week. But generally speaking, most of the banks on the IBD 50 don't look that hot. Let me just check. Let me open up my window. For the trading room. Really, it's lagging, Gino? All right. Look, I'm gonna ship back over to ticker.tv. This is just not working out. Okay, I can't hear myself. I don't know what's going on. I'll try to set up YouTube Live at another date. Okay, so I'm gonna go to ticker.tv and broadcast there. Hold on a second.